This is Angry Birds. The pig will have some armor on it, but the bird will still find a way to kill it. One day, the bird was walking to get its eggs. Then he found out that they were missing. He thought it was the pig, because they normally steal their eggs. Then he found the sign called "This Way to the Dead End." So, he thought that the pig would be just crawled. So he just went this way on top of this birdhouse, and he saw the pig. So, he went up this tower and saw him. He jumped up. Okay, so he tried to get him with this balloon across his balloon sword, but it wasn't actually a balloon. So the pig hit it and came crashing down. So tried again. This time jumped on the globe over the sword, but then saw the gun. Luckily it was water. So we should try to look for a material it could use. Then he found this hammer. Of course the hammer could work, because it's heavy. So the bird came up, going again, and squashed its stuff. Smash it! Smash it! You'll pay for this! Ha ha! I win!